are at Selma Auto Mall, and RUHG will be dancing for them 3 songs, and it was a last-minute practice, so don't hate. And our outfit are a little bit mixed match, like the hat, the bag, but then, you know, we are Reunited Hmong Girl is kind of like a new group, and so we haven't established any official outfits yet. And today we actually have 6 members, but only 4 can make it, and the one to my right is Payeng Tao. And the one to my left is Anna Zhang.
Hello, my name is Anna Zhang. I go to Payeng and I'm 26.
And then here is Vane. She's kind of sick. She's been sick for 2-3 days now, and so she's sitting. And the really funny thing is that after we dance, she's gonna head to the checkup. She's gonna go get a checkup to see why she's so sick lately. She's been having fever. Her throat has been painful, and she can't swallow or eat, and other symptoms which I will not expose. Your mouth, they can see. They can see it. No. Hi, my name is Pa Houa. I'm 21 years old, and I am currently going to Fresno State. 2, 4, 6, 8 tray of panda food, and then we're also going to be. So where are you guys today?
We are at Selma.
Wait, what is this called?
Selma. Something mall.
Auto Mall.
Wait, what is it?
Auto Mall.
Auto mall, yeah. From Selma. In Selma.
And what are you guys doing here?
We are performing.
How many songs?
3 songs.
Okay. Okay, so we're ready. We are about to go dance. And Payeng just said that she thinks that she forgot the moves already. And this is Anna. This is Khoa Hnou. She acts shy, but she's not. What the heck?